Today, we're going to look at the technical analysis of ticker MVIS. Welcome to Flash Instincts. Before I begin, I'm going to tell you this is not financial advice, but the purpose of buying or holding on to Microvision, at the end of the day, we want to collect the shares and gain as much as possible. So we do not panic buy when it's bursting up, but we wait for sell-offs. Whenever there is a huge sell-off, you accumulate, all right? You can also buy and sell at peak highs and buy at peak lows. However, this strategy is more complicated, and therefore, for normal investors, it is best implied that you'd hold and you go for the long run. With that being said, let's get into the charts. So I have had this channel set up, this green channel. You see where it's in highlights? This is a super major buy zone. It has proven over and over. In the beginning, we'll start with a January run. This was a bull run. It slowly progressed in this channel area and then exploded, squeezed up all the way to $24, then dropped back down to this channel area. On March 5th, it hit around $9. This was another buy zone. You could have resold when it hit again $19 and dropped back down to the $10, $11 region. Again, you see this channel coming into existence. It keeps bouncing off of it. If you guys are trading using this channel, congratulations, you're up big. Again, on April 19th, 2021, it hit this range area around the $10 range. Then it was short squeezed by Reddit and it reached all the way up to $28. This was a squeeze. Because of the news came out, it was a huge sell-off. The Redditors also dispersed. They sold all their shares. They disappeared. It went all the way back down to this channel to the $12 region, which was another buy zone. Again, if you're looking at this buy zone chart, you wait for these drops. You do not panic buy. You just wait and wait until you see a nice price in this range. You collect more shares. We're going long term for Microvision. That is the name of the game. So again, now what we have right now, what is currently happening? All right, so I'm gonna give you some bad news, and it may be bad, but if you're looking at the long-term picture, you should not be phased, all right? So right now in the short term, we have a at-the-market offering. So Microvision announced this yesterday on Monday, June 21st, 2021. And because of that, it went from $19 and it dropped all the way down to $17, okay? After market, it kept plummeting. Now, don't panic, and I'm gonna tell you why. So here I say it may drop to the buy zone, which is in the green highlighted area. If you look at my chart and look carefully, currently we are dropping down. We do have some buying power. It is a medium resistance point around the $19 range to $18. This is a nice resistance point. Some people are buying. I'll tell you why in a bit. However, it may realistically go down all the way down to $15 or $16, which is a major buy zone for Microvision. This is when you add on to your previous shares if you have income coming in from elsewhere. The purpose is to collect the shares. That's the theme of our video. Now, what can we do to capitalize? So in the short term, we have a cup and handle formed already. The handle has been formed. However, I'm gonna tell you why this cup and handle is misleading. All right, so because we had from April to April 27, we had a short squeeze alert from Reddit. This squeeze pushed Microvision to its peak highs of $28. After that huge sell-off, it ran all the way back up to $24, and now we have a sell-off again to $17. It made a cup and handle. However, this cup and handle is misleading because it's trying to find array or is trying to find origination from the peaks of the short squeeze. Because we are not based on Reddit, because Microvision has its own following, its own supporters, we should not use this cup and handle to form future predictions. In fact, we should look at a better or more bigger cup and handle. And this is formed from the other previous high from February 16th when Microvision hit $24. We have now formed a huge 6-month cup. If you look at this carefully, I'm going to draw it with you. This 6-month cup, and that 6-month cup has formed the handle, okay? So right now it is a medium time to enter. It is a decent time to add to your positions. However, if it goes even further down, I would have more capital to add on. I'm not telling you to sell any shares, but if you wish to add on, you can add now, wait for a bigger drop to the supreme buy zone where I have here, and add then. This will confirm the 6-month cup and handle. If it drops, it is not end of the world. Because why? We know that this area has been proven over and over to have huge support. Again, institutions are adding, they are not selling microvision. So no matter what, there is a huge wall that cannot be penetrated below. The short sellers, they know about these things. As soon as a direct offering comes, they will short a stock. It is a given without hesitation. They will make money going down. However, no one's betting against microvision. No one's betting against LiDAR technology. The future of autonomous vehicles is related to LiDAR. It's known. So for the long term, it is great to hold on to microvision. Now, I'm going to show you this pitchfork. This pitchfork is a little skewed, slanted, but it's going to give you an idea, all right? Right now, currently, we are at, the price is around $17, $18. This is a major point here. It can go back up to the region of $19 very quickly. It can also do a head fake to $22, but then it might drop back down, okay? It might drop down to the $19 area. This $19 area is a little strong. It is very strong. However, again, because a direct offering is so strong, it tells the company that they're diluting the shares so they can make money, their income. They need money, all right? Microvision is spending a lot of money on research, development, on organization and hiring people. They're also trying to get their verticals to be sold and doing a presentation soon. They're spending a lot, which is good for long-term investors. However, for the short term, they need money, and therefore they're doing the at-the-market offering. Now, it may also drop to the 1690 region, 1690, and bounce off. It can, worst case scenario, drop all the way down to $14. All right? I'm going to tell you the honest truth. It may drop to the $14, $15 region, which I personally will add on. I will have more capital holding on just to wait it out. All right? I already have a long-term position, which I am not touching. However, if it drops further down, I will add on. With that being said, I hope I was able to help. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button for more content. Until next time, guys.